Free demo days starting August 8th only at Klingspor's Woodworking Shop of Winston-Salem. Join us every other Tuesday for free demonstrations of wood turning, including bowls, pens, tools, and techniques. Learn about hand planes and how to use them properly and how to adjust your frog. We will tackle routers, router bits, and why you should know the quality of your bits and where you put them. Nothing says I love you like a bandsaw, and find out how easy it is to use and operate the most versatile piece of machinery in the shop. Want to take a trip back to 1799, learn about hand-cut dovetails with a pole saw? Transform your joinery skills with the ultimate cheat sheet, the Festool Domino. No longer will you be putting off that bathroom cabinet project. Get your hands on the Shaper Tools Origin, the world's first handheld CNC. It wouldn't be Klingspor's without a sanding demonstration, so join us August 8th for our Track Saw Challenge, where we pit the Kreg against the Festool for an all-out brawl. Klingspor's Woodworking Shop of Winston-Salem, located at 532 Haynes Mall Boulevard in Winston.